Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for all you craft enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of colorful paper with LIVHOLIC's 60 sheets colored cardstock. If you're in the market for the best thick paper for crafts, you're in for a treat. Now, what sets LIVHOLIC's cardstock apart? Let's break it down. First off, this pack comes with 60 sheets of 12 by 12 inch cardstock, offering a rainbow of 20 assorted colors. That's plenty to fuel your creativity for countless projects. What I love about this cardstock is its versatility. Whether you're into card making, paper crafting, scrapbooking, or even using it with your Cricut machine, LIVHOLIC's got you covered. And with a weight of 250 GSM, this cardstock is thick enough to provide stability and durability for your creations. Another standout feature is the absence of a white core. Both sides of the paper are dyed in vibrant colors, ensuring a consistent look and feel throughout your projects. Plus, it saves you the hassle of dealing with a white core peeking through after cutting. Let's talk about presentation. LIVHOLIC knows how important it is to keep your crafting space organized. That's why these sheets come shrink-packed into a white box, keeping everything neat and tidy. No more rummaging through loose sheets. Whether you're a crafting beginner or a seasoned pro, this cardstock is a must-have in your arsenal. It's perfect for card making, gift packaging, photo framing, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, folks. LIVHOLIC's 60 sheets colored cardstock is truly the best thick paper for crafts available in the market. With its quality, variety, and convenience, it's a no-brainer for any crafting enthusiast. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!